Smith has not been able to take his place. But no matter who's been injured, they've just been able to come up with the quality plays. Fiji, of course, so much support for them in the crowd here in New Zealand. So there they are, the best two teams to contest the final here in Hamilton.
Ladies and gentlemen, please now be upstanding for the national anthems of Fiji and South Africa.